Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make the keyboard bigger on your iPhone. Well, there's only one way that you can do it. So right now here you can see I'm going to open my Notes application and show you my keyboard. This is the size of my keyboard. If I want to expand this, I'll have to enable the zoom display option, right? So in order to do that, we'll have to go back and get to the settings of our phone, from which we'll have to scroll down until you see display and brightness, tap on it. And then from here, scroll down until you see display zoom. Tap on it, and currently we're on the default. We'll have to set it to larger text. So simply tap on it and then tap on the down option right here. Then tap on use zoomed. And after that, here you can see your phone will go blank. And we have now successfully enabled larger text. If we go back here and simply open your keyboard, just like this, here you can see we have now successfully made our iPhone keyboard bigger. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.